The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, anti-theft security system, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power door locks, power windows, MP3 playback stereo, daytime running lights, daytime running lamps, side curtain airbag, emergency trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes. Come take a test drive today.